Enjoy a light and bright open floor plan in this top floor, large 1-1 condo located in this gated, amenity-filled community. This home is situated on the top floor and on the end, so you will have plenty of natural light, high ceilings and no neighbors overhead. It is also the largest of the one-bedroom floor plans. The community has just replaced all buildings' roofs with new Spanish-style red tiles, hurricane impact windows and new paint. Inside, the home has been updated with brand new larger-style subway tilework and custom niche in the shower, modern plumbing fixtures and cabinet hardware, as well as new ceiling fans. The unit also has newer stainless steel appliances, fresh light gray paint throughout, newer carpet in living and bedroom, and the air conditioner unit and handler has been recently replaced in the last few years. The Reserve is a highly desirable community located in North Naples close to beaches, shopping and restaurants, that offers a resort-style pool, spa, gazebo, clubhouse, walking trails around 2 lakes, playground, barbecue, tennis court, indoor racquetball court, fitness center, reserved parking spot and a new security gate system for your safety and privacy.